Hello everyone, my name is Zain Akhtar. I'm a student professor for FANA at WPI, majoring in electrical computer engineering, and I am a rising junior right now. Fofana told me the doctors at Harvard wanted to come up with this database, so he gave me the information in a Word document, and I incorporated all the information into this database over here. So let's go for a dry run. So I was told every patient has a serial number, so I thought, okay. And the Word document also said they wanted to look up the patients to the serial numbers. So all you have to do is enter the serial number. I came up with just some fake serial numbers information myself to use as a dry run. Click on retrieve data, and all this information which was stored in the database is over here, as you can see. I use my own name, first and last, Zain Akhtar, sex, date of birth, age, parents, guardian's name, orphanage name, all the information is over here. Or what else you can do is you can retrieve the anthropometry information as well. If you want, you can also clear the contents. It's just an extra feature. You can click on retrieve anthropometry information. You get the anthropometry information for the patient, and then you click on get medical history, and this is the medical history of the patient. I'm not really creative, so couldn't come up with good history or complaints, but that was the best I could come up with. Complaints, headaches, and fever. And history have had a lot of diseases. Excited just for fun. So after that, you click on retrieve disease history, and it gives you the disease history of diarrheal diseases, duration, number of episodes, type of diarrhea. All the information stored in their database originally is over here. You click on physical exam information, and you get the physical exam information of the patient too. The appearance, activeness, build, hydration status, pulse rate, all the information that I was given in the Word document has been incorporated into this database over here. Also shows the date when the original information was stored, and also shows the name of the doctor. As you can see, Dr. Fofana signed off this patient over here. So after that, so now you have the information for the whole patient. You click on clear content, all the information has been cleared, and now I will show you another feature of this database over here. So let's say you want to enter information of a new patient and that information is not already in the database. Yes, you can do that over here. So all you have to do is come up with the serial number which has not been used before. Let's say I'm using a serial number which has been used before. I'll click on enter new data. It will give me a message saying information for this serial number already exists. So what I have to do is change the serial number. I change the serial number, enter new data. There's no data for this serial number, so I can store all the data. So I will write the first and the last name, Britney Spears, or the top of my head, that's what I can think of. Sex female, date of birth 10, 28, 80, I don't know. Orphanage name XYZ, address XYZ, and you can fill in all this information over here. So I won't write on all the information over here. You get the idea. After entering the information, click on enter new information, and it will give you a pop-up message. New information has been entered to the system. And now you have to enter the anthropometry information. Enter all the information. I'm not aware with the actual numbers, so I'll just come up with my own. And after filling that, I click on enter new information. Same pop-up message. Click on OK. I click on the history. Here I fill in the history, the complaints, enter new information. New information has been entered. The history of diseases. I'll just write no to save time over here. Enter new information, and then physical examination. I fill in all this information. I don't feel like filling this right now, it will take a lot of time, but yes, you can fill in all the information by yourself. Over here I will sign up on today's date, say 7/8/2013, signature. I'm not a doctor, so I'll just say Ali. and click on enter new information, and all the new information has been entered. So I just showed you two main features of the database. So let me take you to behind the scenes, what's actually going on in the database. So I have these Excel sheets over here. This sheet, as you can see, stores the patient information. So what you can do, if you already have information for the patients, you can manually ask someone or do by yourself, enter all the information of the patients over here. This column has the serial numbers, last name, middle names, and all the general information. As you can see, the information for Britney Spears, which we just entered, has also been stored into database, which was not here before. It did not exist here at all. We just entered this information and it will be stored here forever unless you come back here and delete it manually. There are similar sheets for anthropometry information, history information, diarrheal information, deworming information, and physical exam information. So as you can see, all the information for Britney Spears, which we just used, is here. 12349 was her ID, gives all the information, and it will be saved here. So what you can do is you can print out these sheets and you will have a whole record of the patients with their physical exam information, the disease information, general information, everything, and this information won't be lost at all. So this is pretty much all about the database. I hope you like my database, and I've spent a lot of time on it. I work during the day from 8 to 5, then I come back home and work on this database, and I've been loving so far to work on this database, and I hope you like it as well. Thanks for listening to me. Bye bye.